So this time I'm trying to improve my turn signal bulb. So you can see this one is a normal bulb. So how to take it out? Very easy. You open the cover of the engine, and for the front one is quite easy. See, this position is here, just straight away this line actually is here, from here, then will be underneath here. So this is the bulb. So you can see this one is like just a plastic, turn to the left like that, and take it out. So this is the original bulb for Ionic hybrid, and quite simple, quite easy. Just take it out like that, and you can just replace on the bulb. So this bulb actually, let me show you. So once you take it out, it should be like this, and the standard bulb is a PY21W. This look like this is amber. This is standard, national, international. And to take it out is very easy. Just push in, then turn to the left, then that's it. Take a note. This is a bit a new bulb because PY21W, there's a two type. One is 180, means this what do you call it? This thing is this one on the top, one on the bottom. For this one is one here and one here is 12 o'clock and 5 o'clock. This is 150 degree. So you might be very careful of purchasing the LED PY21W because mostly in the market is 180 degree, not like this. So this is 150 degree. So you can see the housing also is slightly different. So this is through here, and then it's not go to the bottom, it's on the 5 o'clock. So you need to careful on this. Unfortunately, the one I ordered is the packet is look like this, and let's open. So it's look like this one. Unfortunately, they order wrongly. It's 180 degree. Okay, so it's not 150. So let's take it out one. This one, but so I have tried to negotiate with the reseller and blah blah blah, and then try to return this, but somehow it can still using it. Okay, how we do, just push into here. Of course you need to see the pin also here, and this is the pin contact for the negative, I think, and the center one for the positive. So I will use this method, push it in like this, and there's a little bit gap there. I will try to push, still using the same thing. It can still go in actually. So but don't turn the bulb, don't turn on left, just push it in, that's all. So the moment you want to take it out, this one, I want to take it out, this one, I cannot just pull from the socket. So what I need to do, if you pull from the socket directly, I think you might damage the, because this bob between the housing on the metal is too fragile, it can break. So what I do, I usually is like that. The bob manufacturer, it doesn't have a very strong position in between here and here. So just take a note, very careful on this. So for me, I will try to open the casing. Very simple. Just push in this one. Use the negative screwdriver. Push in. So once push in, it go down. There's a 2. And this is the second one. So once you push in, you can dismantle the housing. Okay. So this is the housing look like. So this is the base for the positive, and this is for the bob itself. So you don't lose this one. This one need very careful to take it out. Use a plier. Then I will just gently push the bottom on the bob like this, and the other one is this one. Just push gently, don't push any force. So once I push a little bit, then it can come out the rest like that. So it's still possible to use it, but I still will like to exchange this with the reseller. But just take a note, if you purchase then you don't want to, just be careful on this. And this is the negative contact. They always drop. If there's no bob, this one will drop. If this one doesn't attach to here, this one can drop. So just take a note. Why this one is still possible to use 150 to 180 bob to 150 housing, because if you can see, I look through carefully on this one, because the moment I push in the bob this way, of course the other end here there's no room to go, but if you force push, then the moment you come contact on this one, there's a room to stay on the 2 pin, one here and one here. So it's 180 degrees still possible, but that is a force push to this housing. But of course, the moment you take it out, there's a little bit mark like this. You can see it's just a little bit damage of this housing. So this is up to you. If you choose to use 180 bob like this, the cost is just a little bit on this one. But of course, to take it out, just gently be careful using the plier to do. So let me demonstrate to put it in with this one. As you can see now, okay, I push in the on the top. Yeah, see, it can go in perfectly, and you can see this needle on the here, the recess on that portion. So I give a try on this one, but let's see how it comes out afterwards when the reseller contact me back. So once that, then I put back the housing. Should be this way. just like that. Just don't turn around the bulb and you're good to go. So now I try to change it. I already replace it. Very easy, just straight to the line to here, and actually it's below here. Just turn, find the way to have the hole. Just turn. Once you're satisfied, you can see the thing is already there. So I just make it turn like this to lock it. Okay, so turn to the left to lock it. Okay, this time is on the back, so of course you need to open the boot. Then after that, take a look, there's a 2 screws hidden on this compartment. Okay, this one and this one. So I will use I'm doing this on the night because I only have a time on the night. Hopefully the video is good enough to show how to do. This part is quite a lot of dirt. Use this screwdriver, the minus one, the Phillips screwdriver minus, and push this one, then gently push down and take away slowly. So it's like that. So it's like, okay, the other one also same. Push down and then pull. Okay, this is a Phillips screw, quite deep. I'm using the quite long. Then I put in the magnet, so when I unscrew this one, they will not drop. Because this is very dark, I only use a phone light to light it up. So unscrew. Okay. Okay, one to go, the other one. Okay, this must use a magnet, otherwise you cannot take away the screw. So once the screw is out, so to let go this one is a bit tricky. You need to hold this part, hold it using the hand like this, like that. Then these two, then just pull to the back. It's a bit hard, then so it's a bit difficult actually. So I I don't know if you can see. Make sure this one is clean and then it's not slippery. Okay, that is how to take it out. Need to pull together. Okay, because here is there's a kind of locking mechanism plastic between the iron needle, so it will be difficult to pull. But once you pull out, this is how it look like. So this is how it look like on the behind the lamp. So it's very dirty. My car already 1 year old, so 1.5 years. So this is how it look. Hopefully I can get the position. Sorry for the shake, I'll be doing this by my own. And this is the signal. This one, turn signal, turn to the left, then let go slowly, and this is the bob. So I just put it in a little bit like this. So I get ready the LED bulb. Okay, this is from the top angle. Turn to the left and take out the bulb. I'll just make sure it's clean. Then put it back to the housing. Then turn. Okay, that should be all. Then I start the test.